In today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace
A weak motor.
a window regulator
It's a weak
motor.
motor.
Yeah, it actually broke, or I mean it works, but the window
It will raise the half of the window and then stop.
Then it stops.
You know, and then you have to wait, and then it will raise a little bit more, and it will stop again.
Over time.
And you have to wait.
But it can it can bring the window down, right? It can roll it down, but it cannot bring it up. It's like
it can roll down, yeah, but it can't lift it up.
So
it's weak.
We will replace it with a new one. So there's like 3 bolts here.
4.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
4.
4 bolts.
4 bolts holding. Plus 2 more.
And 2 more over here.
4, 5, 6. 6 bolts. But before, you have to lift the window up. I mean, roll it down. Unscrew 2 screws, which are held here. They are actually like this. That's how the window sits right here and here. On the other side right here, here and there. So you unscrew these 2 nut bolts and then lift the whole window up by hand. That's how I done it. And you secure it with a paper. Yeah. I don't know. I just secured it with a paper.
So it doesn't
it's,
go down.
Good enough.
Okay. Now you can go ahead.
Now I'm gonna start replacing the motor.
Okay, so we use this special.
Just gonna break it loose, each one of these, and replace the new motor that I bought. Oh,
okay, so we gotta remove those 3 bolts.
This is gonna be a lot faster. Oh, it's already done. Nice. Take the old one out. Make sure they're the same. They look the same, aren't they? They are. Yeah, they are the same. So and replace it with a new one. Make sure the teeth are in place. There is a spring loaded.
But how do you know where?
It doesn't matter. I can adjust it with the motor later.
Yeah, the motor will adjust itself.
Yeah. Just gonna.
Are you sure?
Attach it. Touch it now, like so. And I think I need the help.
Make sure the teeth are aligned with this.
Make sure it's spring loaded.
Yeah.
Kinda. Yeah.
Okay, now we will be installing it back.
Yep. All that goes back together. Yeah. So it's super easy to do. Not hard at all. When you know where to start. You want to lubricate the bottom?
Okay, we will use some grease to lubricate the rail.
Yeah, so it'll be easier for the motor to go up and down. Maybe it's not necessary, but no, it's actually a good idea to do so.
It will make noise otherwise, or it's gonna wear out.
Yeah, make sure you have the lubricant in there.
The bottom and the...
Yeah, only on the bottom.
And the top. No, the top one.
To the side maybe, just a little bit.
Because it's like...
Huh?
It's
sorry,
square.
bro, I got earplugs.
It's square. It's square.
Can't really hear. Yeah, it
also
had some grease in
will
there.
lubricate this one.
Look, it had some grease.
And you can lubricate this one as well.
It'll work itself out when it starts working again. And I'm just gotta put some grease in there, or maybe a slide back and forth like so. Yeah, it'll work at it. And I'm gonna also lubricate this teeth just a little bit, you know, for this thing to go up and down easier.
We're using some green grease.
Okay, it should be enough for this baby to work.
We will add more, just to be
What's
on the
that
safe
everywhere?
side.
just to make sure that
the top
everything
and the
is
bottom
nice,
one.
well lubricated.
Otherwise it may wear out.
Okay, back and forth like so. Yeah, that's enough.
Okay, we will also lubricate this, like those scissors is what we call it.
Those
Kinda like
cross mechanism, whatever it's called.
so it doesn't make any noise. We don't
Well, it
want
should
any
be
noise.
good now. Let's put enough grease in there.
Put it on the other side. On the other side. Alex, on the other side.
Well,
Flip it.
how about the back?
Yeah, the back.
Let's get the access. Same at the back.
Otherwise it does wear out.
Yeah, it will work itself in over time.
See. Nice.
You'll get in there.
We will also lubricate this one here. Looks like this. Just
Not
touching
all the way though. I'm not gonna be doing that all the way
touching it.
because
It
I
can
have to
lubricate
plug it into
itself.
power, then
That's
and
fine.
slide back and forth.
That's
I'm
fine.
just not gonna do it. Do you have a? Can you? Can you hold this? Or stick it to the window. It'll be a lot easier. One bolt is in. Second bolt. Third bolt. Was it? And 5 and 6. Those two goes right here, like so. Hopefully go back in place. Yep, it should. And everything back in place. Yep. Oh, bye.
Make sure it sits the right way. The way it used to.
That's it. Feels.
Okay, now we plug in the power.
And then we're gonna move that. We're gonna slide this. You see it where when we installed it? See it's out on top now. But we're gonna slide this down to this level right here, so I can access and then attach the window back in place.
Okay.
Then to secure the window, which I'm gonna do now. Let's go down. There we go. Here we go. See right here? This is where you actually start and unbolting it. Yep, now I'm gonna bring the window down. So I'm gonna remove my securement. Kinda hard. Let's see if I will be able to. There we go. My securement, the thickness. Okay, now I'm gonna slide the window down carefully by holding the top all the way down. And now I'm just gonna push that little bit. Okay, then there's another problem. Let me see.
It has to go together, right?
Push the whole thing. Push the whole thing. And it slides right in there.
Okay, now
That's it. Now
put the bolts
we're
in.
done. In order to take off, you do this unbolting, and you're good. See right there? It's right there. Same thing, exactly as this. And that's how to change our electric motor.
Okay, now try if it's working or not. Yep, it's working.
So it was electric motor. See, it works just fine. See this? So it was electric
If
motor.
your window does not roll up all the way, or it takes some
It
time.
would it would roll up, Like
And
it
then
would
it
go
would
all the
stop.
way down. It would roll up about right here and it would stop. The motor it gets weak. Now it keeps going. No issues. So it was an electric motor.
So
Okay.
guys, and if you want to know how to remove the panel, there's one bolt here, I mean the screw, one here, one over here, and then one clip here, and the rest is just clips, you know. Use some clip remover and pull it off. So if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel.